Hello, in this example, the directions state to simplify the expression below. In this case, we are going to, in order to simplify, we will combine like terms. So, combining meaning add, like terms meaning terms that have the same variable. So, looking through here, a few things that we might want to identify. I see we have one of the terms is x squared, and then we have another term that is x, and we have terms that are. So again, one term is x squared. I see another x squared over here. Another term that we have is x's, just plain old x's. I have, there's our x squared again. I have a 5x here, and I have, well, is that a 3x there? No. Notice this is a subtraction sign, and instead of subtracting, we're going to add the opposite, or add a negative 3x. I also see a subtraction sign right here, so let's add the opposite, or add a negative 7. And this is a plain old number. Will not be combined or added with x's or x squareds. I'm going to smiley face under that one. What I'm doing there is just identifying the like terms. So our x squareds, which have a straight single dash underneath them, will be added together. I have 3x squared plus, this is 1x squared over here. When we combine like terms, we add the coefficients together. 3 plus 1 is 4. So we have 4x squared. I like to lightly cross off the terms that I have used. Perhaps when you get to the end of the problem, you'll notice that, oh, there are some x squareds that I haven't crossed off that I haven't accounted for. And make sure you add those in. That happens when there's a lot of terms being thrown at you. So I think we've dealt with the x squareds, it appears. Let's move on to the x's. I have 5x, and then I have a negative 3x over here. 5 plus negative 3, adding the coefficients, gives you 2. And our term is x, so 2x. Let's cross those bad boys off. It appears all we're left with here is adding a negative 7 to a positive 2. And when we do that, we get a negative 5. So instead of writing plus a negative 5, I'll actually write minus 5. But again, I could write this instead down below. We like to add the opposite when we're actually combining, but then this is another way of writing it in simplest terms right here. So there is our answer, simplifying using combining like terms.